Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Gmail confirm before sending on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And then on the home screen or in the app screen, tap on the Google folder. Then we're going to tap on the Gmail app to open up the app. Now I'm going to go back into the inbox, and at the top here, next to the search text box, tap on the menu key. From the pop-out settings, you want to tap on settings, and in here, tap on general settings. Then you want to go down to the last option and tap on confirm before sending. So tap on this checkbox to turn it on or turn it off. If it is on, then before we send out an email, it will basically confirm. So let's say I want to send an email, then it say, are you ready to send this message? If you are, then you can tap on OK. So that is what that confirmation do. So I'm going to go back in here and switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.